Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to finally finish putting all of my Easter decor away. I usually take a few days to put any type of seasonal decor away, and today I will finally get it all put away. I can't wait to just kind of have everything kind of neutral for about a month, maybe a couple weeks before I put summer out. But I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation, and hopefully you will get up and clean with me. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and let's just get right into it.
Thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in, as soon as we saw the ocean.
So I get asked quite often how I store all of my seasonal decor, and I have noticed the best and most convenient way, I guess, to find it again is to store it in these clear containers. So what I do is I store everything in these clear containers, and then my husband has a shelf that he built that comes from the ceiling in our garage, and I just store everything up there. That way it doesn't take up any space in my garage, and I don't have like tons of stuff just piled up everywhere. So I have found out that that is the best way to store any type of seasonal decor. I did use some colored bins before, and I still have them. Like I have green and red, like I have green bins with red lids, and I store all of my Christmas decor in there. And then I have some teal colored bins, and I believe I have fall in there or something. But I store everything in these bins, and they're very easily stackable, and that's how I store everything. And then I just keep everything in my garage.
We knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
If you are new to my channel and this is the very first video that you have seen, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Monica, and I absolutely love decorating and cleaning. And if you enjoy watching those types of videos, getting motivated, or just getting any type of decorating ideas, I would love it if you subscribed. And I would also love it if you just dropped by in the comments just to say hi.
Something beautiful.
So while I was putting Easter away, I decided to just put all of the flowers away in the bin as well. I know that it's not technically Easter and I can keep them out year round, but I wanted to put all of the pink and yellow and purple. I wanted to put that all away. I did leave out all of the white roses and the decor that I had set out on the table. I just put the Easter plates away. But I really just want to keep everything really neutral for a while. I feel like neutral is just more calming, and I will be bringing some yellow and some lemons out for summertime. So I really wanted to just kind of keep it neutral until I do that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of moving a few things around. I feel like I never really have a good spot for my houseplants, so I decided to kind of group them all together in this corner, and I thought this table would be perfect for that. And I started with the largest plant in the back, and then I just added the rest of them to that table, and I thought it looked really pretty. And then I took the table that was on the side of the couch and I placed it right in front and used it as a coffee table. And then I took a planter that was up in my bathroom and brought it downstairs, and I put it on the side of the couch, and I placed my light in that, and you'll see all that in a few minutes.
Close your eyes and know beauty lives in
I'm just wiping off all of the crystals that are on this candelabra. I love this candelabra. It is just absolutely gorgeous. My mom found this at a consignment store, and it is just absolutely beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm just using a regular everyday cleaner. I want to say I used the Love Home and Planet rose scented cleaner. I use that quite often in my videos, and I love the scent, and it just worked perfectly. I didn't spray it directly on the crystals or the lamp. I saturated my cleaning rag really well with it, and then I just went through and wiped all of them clean. So now I had moved my coffee table over here, or this little drawer. I don't know if it's a coffee table or an end table, what exactly it is. I found this at a thrift store a while ago, and I painted it white. So I just thought it would look perfect in front of the couch. And then I moved this urn with the tulips from this was sitting on my mantle in the other room, my fireplace mantle. So I just moved it over here. I thought it would look perfect. I get asked quite a bit where the urn is from, and I did purchase that at Home Goods. And then you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to go in the other room and clear off the table. I have found a ton of my old milk glass in the garage, and I thought it would look pretty displayed up on my fireplace. You won't see me place it there in this video, but you will probably see it in my next video. But I just placed it all along my fireplace, and it just looks really pretty, and that's what I did with it. You will see it here on the table though in just a second.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I hope that you were cleaning along with me. And I am curious to know what types of videos you would like to see. I do plan on doing decorating related and cleaning related. But if you guys have any other ideas for me, I would love to throw them in the mix. And I have so many ideas for summer and everything in between. So make sure you are subscribed. If you are new, make sure that you leave me a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.